Thank you guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is more on the beat. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe, like, and comment about anything you like me to assist you. So without wasting our time, let's get into our beat making. So as you can see, our beat is on C major or A minor. Yeah, this is more on the beat. So today I'll be teaching you on how to make R&B type beat. It's like I can call it R&B or hip hop. It can fit in rap music. It can fit on singing. So let's get into it. So I will just play the beat and then I'm going to show you how I made it. So guys, I hope you listen to the beat. So I will start with the first thing that I played. I started playing with my chords, and my chords I just used purity, plugin, acoustic piano on my preset file, so you can use that. And then I played my chord very simple. My chords sound like this. Yeah, so that is my chord. The second thing we have, I played a hat, a hi-hat. Sound like that, my hat. So the next thing I played is the kick. The kick is swinging. The kick is swinging. Let's combine these three. Yeah. And then after that, my snare here. Let's yeah, after that we have a rim stick combined with the snare. The rim sound like this. Yeah. Then we have the snare. So and then after that I had to play something like this. The hearts that are moving very fast. Yeah. So the combination of the drums sound like this. You can listen to it. It's like a hip hop style, R&B style. Yeah. Yeah. After that, I played open heart. Open heart. This is an open heart right here. It sound like that. So this combination sound like this. Then I had to play some melodies so that my beat cannot be dry. Yeah. So I had to play some melody like this. This is a guitar from my first studio. It's from Morphine. Yeah, electric guitar, 50s guitar. Yeah, this guitar creates that feeling and this beat. So after that, I had to play a pad. If you know pad, it's usually used to generate more feeling. So just flow like that. So the combination of my pad, my drums, and my chords sound like this. Then after that, I have my bass. So like this. You have to listen with a pair of headphones or studio monitors so that you can listen to it. Yeah. Combination of the beats, the drum, and the chords. After that, in the intro, I have to add another melody like this. It's a trumpet. Or you say that trombone, something like that, for the intro. So a combination of my trumpet and others. Then I have to add another chord. So like this. Then after that, I had to add some rolls so that you can welcome the verse or the chorus. The roll is very simple. It's like this. Yeah. Let me add some volume so that you can listen carefully. Let me add some volume. Nice. Yeah, the roll is very simple. I used a power kit on the Purity. This is a third-party VST plugin. Future, I'm going to perform mixing and mastering, and I'm going to show you how I can mix the beat. So thank you guys. If you have not subscribed to this channel, make sure you have subscribed, like, and comment about this video. Till the next tutorial, thank you. Let's meet again.